to CTC Communication. Today I'm going to show you on how to change batteries for a Bosch 6000 wireless input devices. With us we have the main panel battery, the wireless PIR batteries, the key fob batteries, and the wireless door read switch battery. For the main panel battery, you will need to open the enclosure and then locate your existing panel battery. To replace the battery, you need to consider the polarity, the plus and the minus, which is indicated with a red color for a plus and a black color for a minus. So, the new battery, you need to remove the insulation protector, and then to install, you can place it inside the panel, remove, gently hold and remove, and connect. Remove the negative and connect, and then you can remove the old battery and with the key fob, it comes with a small screw. You need to unscrew it and then open. The key fob supports a CR2032 model battery. Also, while changing the battery, you need to consider the polarity. The flat surface is the positive, and at the back with small circle is a negative. So you in the cover you insert the positive down and gently close the cover. You can test by pressing. For a Bosch wireless PIR, using a screwdriver, you need to open the cover, remove the top cover, and then the PIR supports a CR123A model battery. Also consider the polarity. So the plus is indicated with a raised terminal and the negative is recessed. Similarly, locate the polarity indicator on the sensor and then